Hey everyone, so I've got my 13-gallon trash can here. I got this to replace my trash can that was actually battery operated. And with this, I definitely don't need any batteries. What I like about it is that we've got a stainless steel pedal right here. You just press that, and it's got a nice soft close, so there's no loud noises, just shutting real hard. And then right here, we actually have a little carbon element here to absorb any odors. Just snaps in there just like that. And now when you put your trash bag inside there, this ring actually lifts up. The trash bag itself is going to go over the edge, and then you're going to lower this back down, and that's going to hold it in place. It's also easy to move around. We've got a little handle here on the back side, and then if you need to move it around, it does have some wheels right here, and then some non-skid feet. I really like that it is lightweight, and we've got the black contrasted against the stainless steel top and the pedal here. I like that I don't have any motors to worry about, anything breaking down, because it's not battery operated, it's just all manual. Doesn't take up much space at all. 13 gallons, it's plenty enough to hold all the trash that I have, and I just love the way it looks. Hope you found this review helpful.